guys, welcome back. I want to start off by highlighting a couple of friends who have been following the steps to help them add mixed coins. So my friend here, she sorted her coins. So I see quarters here, dimes here, nickels here, and pennies here. And then she added the groups of coins. So I love that this friend here added the quarters and she realized, wait a second, I can skip count by 25s. 25, 50, 75, $1. And she got $1 there. And then she did that with the dimes. And because dimes are worth 10 cents, great job with that label, she skip counted by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so she had 50 cents. So she also did that with the nickels and the pennies. So nickels, 5 cents, so she skip counted by fives and got 30 cents. Pennies are 1 cent, so she counted by ones, and that was 5 cents. But I really want to look at how she added the groups now. So she focused on the nickels and the pennies, and we're going to go ahead and look. So she did a number line. So great job to this friend. They said, wait a second, I have 30 cents, so I can start on 30. So she put that big juicy dot on the 30. And then she said, I have 5 more cents from my pennies. So she added and jumped forward 5 times and landed on 35 cents. That was a great strategy for adding mixed coins. And so today we are going to be doing another number story. And because we have been practicing adding coins, our number story today is going to include coins. So follow along with your finger. Remember, we're going to read it 2 times because good mathematicians always read their problems 2 times. Finger on Isabella. Isabella has 2 nickels and 5 pennies. Her rainbow eraser cost 13 cents. Does Isabella have enough to buy her eraser? Ooh, one more time. Go ahead and
finger on Isabella. Isabella has 2 nickels and 5 pennies. Her rainbow eraser cost 13 cents. Does Isabella have enough to buy her eraser?
Okay, so it looks like we have a mixed coins problem. And I can tell that because if I look over here, Isabella has 2 nickels. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to annotate so that I don't forget the value of nickels. So I know nickels. A nickel is 5 cents. Whoops. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put 5 cents so I don't forget on top of the nickels. Now, she has 5 pennies. Are pennies the same as nickels? Nope. Pennies are only worth 1 cent. So I'm going to write 1 cent so I know how much a penny is worth. So we need to figure out how much does Isabella have. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my coins. Remember, friends, if you don't have coins at home, you can draw it out as circles and just label your coins. But because I have coins, this is a really good question to use my manipulatives, my coins with. So 2 nickels. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab 1. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab 2 nickels. So Isabella has 2 nickels and she has 5 pennies. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab 5 pennies. 5 pennies. So here are 2 nickels and 5 pennies. So I already did my first step. I sorted them. My nickels are together and my pennies are together. So this is another way I can sort them. Now, I know a nickel is how many cents? It is 5 cents. So then I know I can skip count my nickels by fives. 5, 10. How many cents in nickels do I have? I have 10 cents in nickels. So I'm going to write that down over here so that I don't forget. And I'm going to make sure I put the cent symbol so I don't forget. Now I'm done with my nickels. So I'm going to move on to my pennies, or Isabella's pennies. And a penny is worth 1 cent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 5 cents in pennies. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write 5 cents in pennies. Now, if I want to figure out how many total cents she has, I need to add them together. So I'm going to make sure my equation has a plus sign. So now I have 10 cents plus 5 cents. And I can do that by counting on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I know I have 15 cents. Or, my friends, if I'm having trouble with counting on, I can draw a number line. But this time, just like the amazing job Ileana did, I can start at 10 and jump 5 more times. Or I can use my counting on or drawing my circles. Whichever strategy helps you add your total at the bottom. So it looks like Isabella has 15 cents. So my answer, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say she has 15 cents. Does Isabella have enough to buy her eraser? Well, her eraser cost 13 cents. And I have 15 cents, which means I have more than enough. So yes, Isabella can buy. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write yes. Isabella can buy her rainbow eraser because she has 15 cents and 15 cents is more than 13 cents. So today I'm going to challenge you guys to not just solve the number story, but explain your solution. What steps did you do to solve your number story? Some of you have been doing this already by explaining how you're adding mixed coins in your videos. You can either do it on video and explain how you solved it, or you can go ahead and you can write it out just like my example. So for me, I said I used coins because they helped me see the cents. When I saw the coins, I said, oh, that's a nickel, that's a penny, so it helped me. First, I sorted my coins. This right here, my friends, is my action. My action. What did I do? Because Linda has nickels and pennies. Linda has nickels and pennies. That is the connection. So remember, we were practicing how to do action, my action, and connection, connecting it back to the story. Action and connection. First, I sorted my coins because Linda has nickels and pennies. She has mixed coins, so I had to sort it. Then I add my same coins. So my nickels I added, and then my pennies I added. That was my action. And I did that because, so my connection to the story, Linda has 2 nickels. And 2 nickels is 10 cents. And 5 pennies equals 5 cents. So I connected it back to the story. And then finally, I added my total. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So yes, she has enough because 15 is more than 13. Again, remember, action, what did I do? And connection, connected to the story.